Hi, welcome to another Drive with Care video. We're going to do a little drive around Herne Bay. Famous people: John Altman, Dave Lee, Bob Holness, Peter Noon, Nicky Chapman, Ken Russell, Bob Hope and many more. The one I remember is from that 60s and 70s sitcom Father Dear Father with Patrick Cargill, and he plays Patrick Glover, and his mother lives in Herne Bay.
Who are you phoning?
Yeah, your grandmother. She comes with us every year, so she is entitled to a vote.
Herne Bay 2723.
Mother, it's Patrick. Look, we're having a bit of an argument.
We can't be. I haven't said anything yet.
Oh, Mother, not you and I, darling.
Do you mean there's somebody else on the line?
No, Mother, you got it wrong again.
Now we're having an argument.
So a little bit of a mystery tour for me because I basically don't know where I'm going. We're going to start here at the Hamptons and then drive down to where Herne Bay Pier is and potentially just along the high street. 10-minute drive max. So let's go along and see if we can spot any hazards. The kind of things that we need to be aware of. So there's an oncoming vehicle and there's not enough room to pass, so I'm going to slip in here, put my indicators on so the car behind me is aware that I'm not parking. I'm just getting ready to pull out. You're welcome. Do you do that? And people don't acknowledge your, kindness in giving way. So quite a few parked cars here, people out for their strolls. So I can't turn right here because there's kind of one-way system around the Hampton Inn. But if we take a right turn after the Hampton, I don't need to indicate because the road swings round that way. Western Esplanade. So this should take me up down to Herne Bay High Street. Come on, camera, look at me. Sometimes that camera's a bit crazy, isn't it? When I go around the bend, it doesn't focus on me properly. Car on my side of the road. Two cars. So I can see some people with their dogs coming along. Road swinging round. Can you see the pier? That pier used to go right out to sea. They lost it and they've still got the end there. It's a lovely day for a drive, isn't it? So if any vehicle's coming ahead, then there's potentially enough room for two cars here. But it looks like I've chosen to do a drive on a road when there's no one about. Pedestrians crossing far enough away that I don't have to. Oh, he's actually getting in his car. Will he open the door? Yep. Getting in the car. I'm doing 25 miles an hour. It's traffic calming measures here, but actually there's enough room for two cars to get through. Mini roundabout, I'm going left. We're entering a 20 mile an hour zone. Indicate left. There's no one behind me, but get into the habit. Use those indicators. So along this busy promenade, or esplanade. Do you say esplanade or esplanade? Drop me a comment. Pedestrians on the right. Looks like he's lurking. So plenty to see here, mostly pedestrians, cars coming in and out of the parking spaces. I see a man with a buggy. Can't anticipate them coming out while I'm passing. Zebra crossing ahead. One should give way to pedestrians, especially on a zebra crossing, because it's their right of way. Le Petit Poisson. What do you reckon? Fish and chip shop? Licensed restaurant and coastal kitchen, it says. This is the entrance to Herne Bay Pier. But I can't drive down Herne Bay Pier. So is Bob Hope born here? I know he was kind of American, but he was born in Britain, wasn't he? I think there's a child's author that stems from here. Was it Ivor the Engine or something? Maybe I've mentioned his name already. Car overtaking another car by the zebra crossings. The Ford is waiting for me, so that's cool. Cool. I didn't say you're welcome. No courtesy today from other road users. Well, that was pretty painless, wasn't it? Not a lot going on there. Pedestrians. Yep, they're waiting for me. It is December after all, isn't it? People out in their coats and everything. Right, someone standing in the road there. Give them some room. That, my friends, is the... What do you think? Is it the Medway? So where's this learner driver going? Should we go into the middle of the road then? Oh, we were all doing that once, weren't we? Learning to drive. So no kind of negativity from me. All I take on board from that is I have to be aware. I have to anticipate what might go on. Gosh, I remember learning to drive. It was terrifying. But of course, the more you do it, it becomes second nature, doesn't it? Dead end down there, so I'd come on to... It's like a 30 zone now. I think we'll just turn left here. Beacon Hill, it says. Take the video up this hill. So again, lots of cars parked on the left. Watch out for those doors opening all of a sudden. Anticipate it. Enough room for two vehicles. And of course, potential pedestrians lurking between parked vehicles. The learner driver. Blind bend. I can't see what's going on here. And there is a car. That's parallel park. Someone asked me about doing parking. I've got no cameras set up to show how to park, but I'm going to get my car level with that one. Into reverse. Nothing around me, so I'm not going to indicate. Once my front is past the car, I'll slide in. Oh, how about that? Nice bit of parallel parking. So there you go, Herne Bay. Not a lot to it, was there really? Drop me a comment if you saw something I didn't see, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now. Drive with care.